How to capture rainwater. Difficulty level 1 hammer. If you don't have a spring or a well in your garden, you can always capture rainwater. All you need is a water collector on a downpipe and a water butt next to it. You will need a filtering collector, a rainwater butt, a tap and some sandpaper. You will need a drill, hole-cutting attachments, a spirit level, a marker pen, a tape measure, a hacksaw, a cutting blade, and a screwdriver. The collector fixed to the rainwater downpipe must be installed directly opposite the water butt for the system to work. Because when the butt is full, the water can flow back into the downpipe. Another benefit is that the filter in the collector will trap solid waste and dead leaves. Some collectors feature a winter and summer setting. In winter, the water no longer drains into the butt. Depending on the model, the collector may accept different downpipe diameters. The water flow should take into account the surface area of the roof. There will be information about the maximum roof surface on the packaging. There are several types of collectors, in particular a square collector or an easy-fit collector where you don't have to cut a hole in the gutter. Place the water butt next to the downpipe for now, on flat, solid ground. Mark the inlet point for the filtering collector pipe near the top of the water butt. Cut a hole for the connecting pipe with the saw and smooth the rough edges. Connect the flexible tube from the outside. Attach the nut to the threaded pipe and tighten. If you have a model with a tap, you must drill a hole for this as well. Cut a hole with the hole saw and smooth the rough edges. Attach the tap. Use the spirit level and marker point for connecting the flexible pipe to the downpipe. This mark will be the top of the water level in the storage tank. With this model, you need to mark 2 more points at which to cut. One 6 cm above and the other 2 cm below. With other models, you simply place the collector against the downpipe to mark the cuts, allowing a very gentle slope for the flexible pipe. Leave the downpipe in place while you cut. Use a hacksaw to cut along the upper and lower marks. Use sandpaper or a fine file to smooth the edges. There are several pre-scored diameters inside the collector. For a 100 mm diameter downpipe, cut around the circular slot with a cutting blade. Undo the downpipe retaining clip to move the pipe away from the wall. Insert the downpipe into the upper collar of the collector. Then insert the filtering collector and align the 2 halves to join the collector together on the pipe. Push the selector to the summer position and tighten the retaining clip. Just connect the flexible pipe and your system is ready to capture rainwater during the next storm. You can easily take the collector apart to clean out the filter and remove any dead leaves. Don't forget to empty out the collector at the start of winter. It just takes 1 hour and your garden will have the benefit of water for free.